Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to use a GoTyme virtual card. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening the GoTyme app and signing into your account. Once you're on the home screen, scroll down until you see Cards. Then open the virtual card image. After that, review the information and select Create a Virtual Card. Scroll down again and choose Create a Virtual Card. Then set and confirm your 4-digit PIN. After this, your virtual card should be successfully created. From here, select the card and scroll to the bottom where you will see Add to Google Wallets. Then press Add to Google Wallets. After that, select Add Wallet and follow the prompts on your screen. Then review the Google Wallet information and press Continue. From there, scroll through the issuer terms and select Accept. You can now choose Set as Default if you want Google Wallet as your default payment method. Then your virtual card will be ready to use for contactless and online payments. And that is it. That is how to use a GoTyme virtual card. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.